Hello, good morning. We are present lateral ventricle in continuation of ventricular system. In ventricular system, we previously explained about the fourth ventricle and third ventricle. This is the lateral ventricle which is present in both hemisphere. So lateral ventricle is part of ventricular system of brain. Lateral ventricle is part of ventricular system of brain. Both cerebral hemisphere contains a lateral ventricle. Lateral ventricles are the largest of the ventricles. Morphologically, if we see, measurement of the lateral ventricle is more than the fourth ventricle and third ventricle. Each ventricle is a C-shaped structure. Each ventricle is a C-shaped structure at beginning, at inferior horn in the temporal lobe. It travels through a body in the parietal lobe and frontal lobe ultimately terminates. It travels through a body in the parietal lobe and frontal lobe ultimately terminates in the interventricular foramen of Monro. Interventricular foramen of Monro, where each lateral ventricle connects to the central third ventricles. So lateral ventricles connects with the third ventricles through foramen of Monro or interventricular foramen. Along the path, a posterior horn extends backward into the occipital lobe and an anterior horn extends further into the frontal lobe. So lateral ventricles has three lobes: superior, inferior and posterior. Structure of the lateral ventricle. The body of lateral ventricle is the central portion just posterior to the frontal horn. The trigone of the lateral ventricle is a triangular area. The trigone of the lateral ventricle is a triangular area defined by the temporal horn inferiorly, occipital horn posteriorly, and the body of the lateral ventricle anteriorly. The sella media is the central part of the lateral ventricle. The sella media is the central part of the lateral ventricle. Ependyma cover the inside of the lateral ventricle and are epithelial cells. So ependyma cover the side of the lateral ventricles and are epithelial cells. So in a structure of lateral ventricle, trigone of the lateral ventricle is a triangular area defined by the temporal horn inferiorly. Temporal horn inferiorly or inferior horn is situated or related to temporal lobe, posteriorly occipital, and body of the lateral ventricle is anteriorly. So anteriorly, posteriorly and inferiorly. Development of lateral ventricle. Lateral ventricles develops from the central canal of the neural tube. Lateral ventricle is developed from the central canal of the neural tube. Applied anatomy of the lateral ventricle is, if production of cerebrospinal fluid is larger than absorption or its circulation is blocked, the enlargement of the ventricle may appear and cause a hydrocephalus. So, cause of hydrocephalus is accumulation of cerebrospinal fluid inside lateral ventricle or blocked circulation of cerebrospinal fluid cause hydrocephalus. So, in this way we see here ventricular system of the brain, in which we see fourth ventricle, third ventricle, lateral ventricle, or lateral ventricle, third ventricle and fourth ventricle. So, in theory examination, one question must come in theory examination. In three ventricle, one question is compulsory. So, you remember and prepare your notes with proper diagram, and you always label the draw and label the diagram and explain. On the basis of diagram, you make practice regularly. For next video, I try to explain about limbic system. Thank you.